Good morning, students. Today we have chapter 2 relation and function. First, we will do the introduction of this. In the previous chapter, we have learned about the sets, types of sets, intersection, union of sets, and then some operation of sets, the types of sets. Now, in this chapter, we will learn how to link pair of object from two sets and then introduce a relation between the two objects in pair. So afterward we will do the concept of a function. So basically we have in this chapter a relation and function. They both are extensions of sets. Ordered pair. An ordered pair is a pair of two objects whose component occur in a specific order. Means we are having two components like rectangular Cartesian coordinate system. We are writing 2, 3. That is order separated by comma and enclosed in parentheses. For example, if A and B are two sets, suppose A small a is element of A, B is element of B, then AB is called ordered pair. One element is from one set, second element is from second set. This AB separated by comma enclosed in bracket is called ordered pair with A as first component and B as second component. Now clearly B is not equal to BA because A is from set A and B is from set B. So they are not equal. So in case AB is equal to suppose CD, it means the first component must be equal to first component and second component must be equal to second component, that is A is equal to C and B is equal to D. The next is Cartesian product of sets. Suppose set A is 1, 2, 3, B set is 4, 5. So if we write Cartesian product A cross B, it means we have to write them in ordered pair 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. So in this ordered pair, this A cross B will be the Cartesian product of set. Similarly, B cross A, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5 and 3. So A cross B is not equal to B cross A. So now let me move to the definition 1 given in NCERT. Given two non-empty sets P and Q, the Cartesian product P cross Q is the set of all ordered pair. This Cartesian product is set of all ordered pairs of element from P and Q. That is PQ is generally P cross Q. Cartesian product of P and Q is PQ, where P is from P and Q is from Q. Note, if there are P elements in set A and there are Q elements in set B, then PQ will be P into Q will be the elements in set A cross B. Means if we take this example which we did, A has 3 element, B has 2 element, then A cross B having 3 twos are 6 element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we move to the exercise 2.1. First question you are given x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. You have to find x and y. So it means if they are equal, then first component is equal to first component. X plus x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3 and y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. First component is equal to first, second is equal to second, and then we have to just simplify. We will get the value of x and y. Question number second, A is having 3 element, B is having 3 element. Then the question is, you have to find number of elements in A cross B. So 3 threes are A cross B will having 9 element. Question number 4 is, you are given P is equal to Mn, Q is equal to Nm. You have to find true and false. True and false. P cross Q is equal to given Mn Nm. This is false because 2 2s are 4. It should have 4. P cross Q should have 4 elements. So 4 elements will be M, N, M, M. M, N, M, M. N, 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 M. N, 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 M. So this statement is false. This is true. Second is the definition. By 1 it is true. Third is A set given. Set A is given 1 2, B is given 3 4. Then you have to find A cross B intersection C, B intersection 5. So B intersection 5 is 5. So A cross 5 will be 5. So answer this is true. Question number 7. Let A is equal to. Question number 7. Let A is equal to 1 2, B is equal to 1 2 3 4, C is 5 6, D is 5 6 7 8. We have to do the second part. Second part is A cross C is the subset of B cross D. So first we calculate A cross C. A cross C 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6. Similarly we will find B cross D 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 2 5 2 6 2 7 2 8 and so on. If we check in A cross B 1 5 is there, 1 6 is there, 2 5 is there, 2 6 is there. So A cross C will be the subset of B cross D. In question number 8 we are given set A is equal to 1 2, B is equal to 3 4. We have to write A cross B. So A cross B will be 1 3 1 4, 2 3 2 4. A cross B. Then number of element will be obviously 2 2 2 2 is 4. Number of subset will be of A cross B will be 2 raised to power the number of element that we have did in chapter sets. So A cross B will be 2 raised to power 4, 16 element. We can list them also. Question number 9. We are given A and B are two sets such that NA is equal to 3, NB is equal to 2, x1, y, 2, z, 1 are in A cross B. So if these are in AB, then in A cross B means first entries are from A. From A, x, y and z are there. So A will be x, y and z. From B, second entries 1, 2, 1 means 1, 2 is there. So if we check the Cartesian product A, x1, x2, y1, y2, z1, z2 and so on. So first entries are from first set. Second entries are from second set. Question number 10. The Cartesian product of product A cross B has 9 elements. Means A cross A has 9 elements, among which 2 are given -1 and 0. So it means and 0 and 1. So -1 and 0 belongs to A cross A. It means -1 is from A, -1 and 0 is from A, and 0 and 1 is also from A. So A is having -1, 0 and 1. So set A will be -1, 0 and 1. This first entry implies that this is from A. Second entry implies 0 is from A. Third entry is from here, 1 is from A. So it is A is having -1, 0 and 1. Then A cross A, -1, 0, 1 cross -1, 0, 1. Already we have calculated A is -1, 0, 1. So A cross A is -1, -1, -1, 0, -1, 1. 0, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 1, -1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this total will be 9 entries. Thank you.